My dear students, how are you all? I hope you all are good and safe. Okay, my dear students, welcome to Maths Classroom. Okay, in this classroom, I will tell you about a basic skill. Okay, before starting my lecture, let me introduce what is the topic of today, and I will tell you our subject is maths, and it's our third lecture of maths for KG class. It's our third lecture of third week to KG class, and the subject is maths. Our topic is subtraction. As we have discussed addition in the previous week, the second lecture, and in this lecture today I will tell you about subtraction. Okay, before going to start our new topic, I would like to revise my previous topic that was about addition. Addition means to mix up, to adding something, to joining, to combining, to joining the objects together and tell how many are there, how many are together. Joining, combining, adding is called addition. Unlike addition, subtraction is taking away the objects. It means minus, to deduct, to cut, to tell about the leftover. It's totally about leftover, minus, deduction, and taking objects away. Not adding, taking objects away. Okay, let's practice. We have 10 candies. How many candies? 10 candies. Okay, let's count first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. We have 10 candies. Okay, now we have to take away 4 candies from 10. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, how many left over? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many left over? 6. We minus 4 candies from 10, and the leftover is 6. Subtraction is totally about taking away the objects, totally about the deduction. And the addition is about mixing, combining, and adding. It's about taking away. Okay. Students, we have cloth pins here. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We have 7. We have 7 cloth pins. Okay. Now we have to take away 2 from 7. Okay. 1 and 2. How many left over? How many are remaining? Okay, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many are left over? 5. If we deduct 2, we minus 2 from the 7, then the leftover will be 5. Okay. We have 3 balls. 1, 2, and 3. If I will take away 1 from 2, 1 from 3, how many left over? 2. 2 balls are remaining. If I will take away 1 then how many are remaining? 2 balls are remaining. 2 balls are remaining. But dear students, I want to remind you that I want to recall the subtraction means taking objects away. Taking objects away. Taking objects away. Okay? Yes, my dear students. Now, we have these dots. We have 10. We have 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. If we will subtract 1 from 4, if we will take away 1 from 4, how many left over? Okay, let's start. There are 4. Okay, my dear students, if we will deduct 1 from 4, then how many left over? There are 4 dots. 1, 2, 3, 4. And if I will take away 1 from 4, then how many are left? 1, 2, 3. How many are left? 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. If I will take away 1 from 4, then remaining will be 3. Remaining will be 3. Okay, my students? Take away 2 from 4. Then how many left over? How many are left over? I will take away 1 and 2. How many left over? 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. Okay? If I will take away 3 from 4, then how many are remaining? Okay, I will take away 3 from 4. 1, 2, 3. Okay, how many left over? There are just 1 left over. Just 1 remaining. If we will take away 3 from 4, then 1 will left over. Then 1 will left over. Okay, students? If we will take away 4 from 5, if we will take away 4 from 5, then how many left over? Okay, let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, students. How many left over? Just 1. How many left over? 1. How many left over? 1. If we will take away 4 from 5, how many left over? 1. How many left over? 1. Okay. If we will take away 3 from 5, if we will take away 3 from 5, then how many left over we have? 1, 2, 3. There are 2 left over. There are 2 left over. How many left over are there? 2 left over. How many left over are there? 2 left over. If we take away 3 from 5, we have 2 remaining. We have 2 left over. We have 2 remaining. Okay, my students? Now we will take away 6 from 10. We will take away 6 from 10 and then we will see how many are left over. Okay. Start taking away 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Then how many are left over? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. If we will 6 take away from 10, then 4 will remaining. Then we will have 4 left over. Then we will have 4 left over. Okay. If we will take away 8, we will take away 8. Start taking away. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many left over? We have 2 left over. We have 2 left over. If we will take away 8 from 10, we will have 2 left over. We will have 2 left over. Okay, my dear students? 9 from 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We just have 1 left over. We have 1 left over. If we will take away 9 from the 10, then we will have 1 left over. We will have 1 left over. Okay, my dear students, I hope you understand through this activity. Now we will move towards our maths workbook A, page number. Okay, my dear students, we will practice the subtraction within 10. The page number 18. Page number 18. The first question: if we will take away 2 from 7, then how many left over? Okay, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And we have to take away 2. 1, 2. Okay, how many left over? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many left over? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If we will take away 2 from the 7, then we will have 5 left over. 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 Okay, if we have 5 and we have to take away 2 from the 5, then how many left over? Okay, if we have to take away 2 from the 5, then how many left over? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we have to take away 2. 1, 2. How many left over? 1, 2, 3. How many left over? 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 3. Okay, students, if we have to take out 2 from the 8, then how many left over? If we have to take out 2 from 8, then how many left over? If we have to take out 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and we have to take away 2. 1, 2. How many left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many left? 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 6. Okay, my dear students, you have to take away these numbers accordingly. Now I will tell you about your notebook. How to solve the subtraction pages on the notebook. Yes, my dear students, I have in maths notebook of KG class, and in this notebook we will solve page number 16, 17, 18, 19. It's talking about the subtraction up to 10. First question, if we will take away 1 from the 3, the remaining, the leftover will be 2. And if we will take away 4 from the 9, then the remaining and the leftover will be 5. If we will take away 2 from 4, we have leftover 2. If we will take away 5 from 6, then we will have 1 leftover. If we will take away 0, nothing, from 6, then we have 6 leftover. We have same leftover. Okay? If we will take away 1 from the 2, then we will have 1 leftover. And if we have 7, we have to take away 4 from the 7, we will have 3 leftover. Okay, if we will take away 4 from the 7, we will have 3 leftover. And if we will take away 2 from the 3, then the leftover will be 1. If we will take away 3 from the 5, 2 will be leftover. If we will take away 4 from the 6, we will have 2. In the next page, you have to subtract these images and you have to write the exact digit. You have to write the answer over here. If we have 4 elephant and 1 take away, how many left over? 3 left over. If we will have 5 duck and 3 take away, how many left over? 2. How many left over? 2. If we had 6 and we have to take away 2, how many left over? 4 left over. How many left over? 4 left over. Okay, my dear students, and this way you have to solve the page number 18 and 19 as well. Hope you understand and enjoy. Keep practicing. Thank you so much. Have a good day. Allah Hafiz.